Okay, so do me a favor. Can you guys go to, there are two lighting floor plans that you have. Everybody has this view. The first view that you have, you put all your lights in, right? The first view that you put all your lights in. Cool. Can I have thumbs up, everybody? Cool. Okay. You have this, the first view. The second one, do you have another view that says lighting? Does yours look like mine? Probably not. Okay. Here's what I would like you guys to do. One more time. The first view here, the first view, this is the view that you guys are gonna, you did your lights at. Come on, everybody's okay with that floor plan? You put all your lights. The one underneath it might not look like mine, does it? Most likely not. Do me a favor, go to visual, let's go to the view range. Okay, all the way to the view range. Can you guys see that little thing here, view range? Everybody can see the view range here? Okay, cool. When you go to the view, click edit view range. Everybody, you guys are good? Adam and Joe, one more time. I would like you guys to go to the view range, edit view range. As you know in Revit, Jeff, you're dealing with a model, 3D. It depends how you look at the model. Are you going to look this far, this far? It gives you a different view of it. Cool. Now you guys are looking way up. You're looking at level 2. Can you guys do me a favor? Do you see that little here says width? Can you put it to level 2? Click this one to level 2. Yours should be, I think it's associated level. I'm sorry, make it level 1. Yours should say level 2, right? Can you guys do it level 1? Can I have thumbs up when you're done? Level 1. And make sure you have, what I do at the top is I make this one unlimited. So I want to see from level 1, which is the parking lot, all the way to 32 feet, so I can see the perimeter lights. My problem with the parking lot, guys, one problem. My parking lot, I have my site. I have 2 structures in my site. That's the issue. I have 2 structures. I have the building and I have the parking lot, and both these have to be in the same view. Now, how are you going to reach something on the floor level or the ground level, and at the same time something in the 20 feet level, which is the perimeter light, right? Did you guys see the issue here? Unlike when we were in the floor, when we look at the floor, all of them are in 9 foot above, a little bit above or below, right? 9 feet, we mounted all our fixtures in Revit. When we're in the parking lot or the site, we need to be able to see the site itself, which is the ground, and at the same time the whole building. So long story short, can you guys sit yourself exactly like this and hit apply and see if you can see the same thing that I do? Okay?
Level 1.
Level 1, yep. Can you give me thumbs up when you guys are there? Thumbs up. You guys? Cool? Okay. Okay. So when you come here, so you can, why did I do this? Because I need to be able to see the site as well as the building. Okay, but you can see, now here's a few things that we can do to make the building a little bit interesting. What we have done in the past is, can you guys go to VV, hit VV, and clean this view. Hit VV and clean this view. For example, okay, so I have rooms. Okay, so I need, I want to get rid of the floor. Where is the floor? A, B, C, D, E, F, floor. Floor. Okay, I have, if you guys don't see, can you see where it says invert here? See that one here, show categories of all disciplines. Click on this button. That will show the categories of the model too. Cool. So we got this one. Here's my floor. Get rid of the floor. Okay. So it cleans it up a little bit. Did it? Okay. Now there's a lot of things, guys, in this view. A lot of things. Go VV one more time. And let's go to imported category. Do you see all the CAD that we brought so far in the model? I don't want all the CAD that we brought in the model. I don't want any of these CAD stuff. So unclick all the CAD stuff here. I don't care about this stuff. So, oops. So here's then the building looks like this. One more time. VV, go to imported categories. Then if you go unclick the CAD. Remember, these are, Darren, remember the CAD that we imported? When you guys import the CAD into Revit, it imports in every view. So you have to, every time you go to a new view, you have to clean the view. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We know how to clean the view. First of all, I have not imported anything yet in this view. So what do you, unclick all the imported stuff from CAD. Thumbs up, Chad. The second thing, you go to the model category. As long as we're on it, I think I need to leave everything on here because this view, guys, is going to be for power and lighting, everything. That view, okay? So if you guys did that, if yours look like mine, somehow looks like mine, give me a thumbs up, will you?
You want to leave all the lights on?
Hold your horses. We're coming to the lights. Just looks like mine, okay? So here's the view that you guys are going to be doing. That's what I have done right now is called cleaning the view. Get it ready for you to work on. Can I have thumbs up, every team? Kerry, you guys are good there? Okay. Darren? All right. Jamie? So we clean the view to get it ready for you guys to work on. Okay? Now, I don't want you to do this yet. But there's some lights, yours guys full of lights here, right? There's full of stuff here, right? There's so much stuff here. So what we're gonna do eventually, we're gonna pick all these and hide them in place eventually. So can you guys don't worry too much about them at this time. The things that's inside the building. Let me see where I can lower my view and pick them up. Can you guys pick yours? We're too high to pick them up. You can? No, you can't. Yeah, because we're too high. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Let me go back to VV. Visual probability. Let me put it to second level and see what we can get. Second level. I can't pick them. Visual probability, offset, by 0. You can't. Okay. Cut plan view. Okay, cancel it. Okay, well, I can see some of the stuff, but I can't because of my view. Okay. Okay, view. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to see if I can get to it. I should have looked at my other one. Okay, I know we can guys come over here and hide them in place here, but the time being, I give you a view at least. I'll figure that out for you. I just didn't look at it and have enough time. So don't worry about the inside stuff that you're looking. We will arrange the view where we can hide them in place. The best that we can do is hide them in place. Cool. But that view will give you, when you go into Revit and import from visual to CAD to Revit, you're gonna dump the view right in here. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? That's where where our fixture is gonna look like right here in this view. Okay. When you get your fixtures, guys, let's go. I don't think we have fixtures yet, so go insert and load families. Let's see if we have fixtures, lighting fixtures. Go electrical components, will you? Do we have lighting components? No, all of them under electrical. Electrical components, lighting, exterior. Here's your option. We have a pole, we have a spotlight, street light, and we have street light standard. See, you guys see, and you have wall pack light. So these are the ones that we have done in the past. Do you see that street light here? Street light, any one of these, we basically pick them up. What this family will give you, it will give you two things. It will give you a pole that the light is going to be sitting on, and it will give you the light itself. Then you can adjust this light to see whatever you want it to see. If you want the actual CAD fixture that we did, you have to go to Lithonia and download it. Okay, so do me a favor. Since I know for a fact I need these At least this one, the street light and the wall pack. Anybody knows what the wall pack? That's for the one, the parameter. So I'm going to pick these two. Let me go. Everybody's with me? Can I go back? Okay. Can you group select these two? You know how to group select. Select the one, pick the second. So I loaded these two fixtures, and off it goes into loading them into my project. Cool? Thumbs up, Chad. Awesome. Okay. Again, please ignore what's the junk here, because I will clean it up for you. We'll clean it up. We'll play with the view. I'll find the setting for the view and we'll clean it up. Okay, now let's go. When you import CAD here, you know how to import and place it at the top of it. Let's just go, and so I'm going to go place my fixture. I'm going to go family, fixtures, electrical lighting. Okay, now here's the wall pack exterior 120. Is that what I want? Wall pack exterior 120 that I brought. Look at the family. It's only one fixture. Everybody got that? Right above it is the fixture, the street light fixture. Let me start with the wall pack. Everybody got the wall pack right here? Okay, here's my wall pack. Do I power this boy at 120 or 277? 120. Grab 120. And can you guys see if there's a fixture right here? Can you guys see if there's a fixture? If I want to put a fixture right here, can you guys see it? So here's my fixture. Look at the height, before you drop it, look at the height that I put the fixture at. Can you guys see the height that comes at? 9 feet. 9 feet from the ground is not bad. If you want to change it, or what you do, go type 10 feet, 9 feet off the ground. Let's just go make it, I can't remember, do you remember, what did they tell you guys when you did your calculation? How much? 13? Let's go put it 13, will you? 13. Let's go put this one at 13. Okay, so this is mounted at 13 feet. Okay, now, can I have thumbs up, Chad? We got it? Now remember, you're going to place it over the visual. Now, before you go, we're going to start edit. Now, what type of fixture? Who's my favorite student for the day? Kerry, can I pick on you? What was the type of the fixture that you guys did for this? What's the name of the type? Fixture type. Can we say Z? Fixture Z. Here's type fixture Z. Okay, what's the watt for this fixture that you guys picked? It says apparent power right now is 70 watt volt amp. Is you guys 70? How do I know? From the lighting schedule. Say if it wasn't, I'm gonna go make this 190. This is where you change. This is where you change the volt and the type of the fixture.
You want to duplicate it first,
well, I'm not. Very good point. Am I using this fixture anywhere else in the plan? No. Very good point. If now, what you guys are going to be doing in your lighting project, I didn't emphasize this enough when we were doing the lighting indoor, is change the apparent power. Could you please, and that's, you don't have to do anything, go click on the fixture and make sure it has the right volt amp based on the schedule. Based on the schedule. Because it comes with a default one. I put 90 for the heck of it, and it's a Z, and off it goes. Okay? Okay, so here's my fixture. It's a fixture Z. Okay, now this is my one fixture. I'm going to go, you guys see that, the fixture? I'm going to go all the way to the parking lot and place my other fixture and just circuit them. Cool? I'm going to, and do you guys know how to place them all around the building now? Piece of cake. Let's go place one in the parking lot. I'm going to go electrical, lighting fixtures, and I'm going to place my one in the parking lot. The parking lot one, Jeff, did you get the street light that says street standard light? What was your, I think we used 250, right? It says 250 watt. I don't think any one of you use higher than 250. If it's, now this is the standard that comes. When you get inside it, you can change it to 150. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? So we grab this boy here. This is my options. Was it metal halide, or I think your sodium, or metal halide or high pressure sodium? I think we use the no. So I'm sorry. This is halon. I don't have metal halide ones. If I have to, so this is good enough for me. Grab that one. Can you guys see I'm holding a parking lot with a pole on it? So I'm going to situate this boy here. Click on it so we can orient it. Everybody knows how to orient it with that space. Okay, click it here. And I'm going to go orient that boy right in here. Okay, here's my fixture. If you look at the if you look at this, if you click on it, what's the description that comes with it, guys? I'm going to go edit, type at 150. Look at the mounting height. What's the mounting height that you guys did in Revit, in Visual? Was it 30? We mounted them at 30. So what you're going to do with this boy? Change it to 30. Okay. Apply it. Okay. So this is mounted at 30 now. Oh, I forgot to put a type. Edit type. What's the type of that fixture? The type of that fixture, let's just say W for the heck of it, and OK. Now, do I need to duplicate it? No. Why? Because in this case, we gentlemen have only one type of fixture we're using. If we have the same type, the same fixture using in different locations, you duplicate it. Can I have thumbs up? Cool. Let's go tag and circuit. Now you put 3 of them. You're going to tag and circuit. No difference than what we tagged and circuited before. So I'm going to go circuit few. Before I do that, so I got 2. Then I need to go drop. This is my mechanical room. This is my mechanical room right in here. Let me go, guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able to drop a timer. I'm going to go drop a timer so I can control it. Cool. So electrical, devices, and I need lighting. Are you guys with me? Lighting devices. Okay, lighting devices. So when I go lighting devices, I don't need a switch for this. I need a timer. So where's my timer? Way at the bottom, timer. I don't know if I'm going to be able to drop it here. I'm going to put it right. Remember, this area is the mechanical room, so it's going to be located in the mechanical room. I'm going to go put it at the timer. It's just a tiny little device right here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pick it up though, because look at it's sitting at elevation 4. So let's just drop it and see if we can pick it. Okay. So here's my timer. Now, how many timers do I need? I need 2 timers, one for each set. So here's timer 1, here's timer 2. Why 2 timer? Why 2 timer? I want 1 timer for the parking lot and 1 timer for. Now I'm going to call this is T1. I hope T1 for timer 1, and I'm going to call this one T2 for timer 2, and I'm going to place them appropriately here. Are you guys with me? Place them appropriately here. Cool. Okay, so I have my timer 1 and timer 2. Okay, slightly down. Okay, my timer 1 and timer 2 sitting right here. Don't look at that T, flip T here. So I have my 2 timers sitting here. Let's go circuit. Piece of cake. I'm going to go circuit my fixture first. Here's click on this. Power. Am I going too fast? Andrew, am I going too fast? Who's following with you guys? Is it Andrew or you? Okay, good. Okay, so let's go power. The first thing you need to go power, guys, select panel. I can't pick the panel, so you have to come over here. Lighting. Select my lighting panel. Everybody's good with that? And off it goes. Done. Here's your circuit. Once, and then if you want to edit circuit and add the other fixtures to it, you do. Obviously, I don't have any fixtures. So this is circuited. I'm going to go to the second one, guys. Switched. Sorry, we're going to go switch it. Click on it. Here's my switch. I need to go select switch. For select switch, you have to go touch the switch. So I'm going to use timer number 1 here. Timer number 1. Now timer number 1, switching it, and edit switch and finish. Now I grabbed, here's timer number 1, switching it. I'm going to do the same thing for this fixture, guys. Click on this. I'm doing it fast this time. Power. Power it. I'm going to go select panel. Select panel. Grab the panel. Lighting panel. Now this is done. Okay. And I'm going to go the same fixture. Click on the fixture. Go power. Switch it. I'm going to go grab the switch. Switch number 2. Select switch. Switch number 2. And edit switch. And done. Okay. Any question, guys, about switching it exactly like we've done? And then when you come here, your fixture does. Can I, Terry? Does your fixture have the tag, the right tag? Do you guys see your fixture have the right tag when you can? Otherwise, you can click the tag. So here's a Z fixture, circuit number 3, and the timer that controls that fixture is T2. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? This is piece of what? Okay. Are you upset there? Okay. Piece of cake. Now here's what I would like you to do next. Okay. I want you, now the rest is history. You guys gonna do that. Okay, so here's my fixtures. You need to wait. Okay. Okay, now here's what I would like to do. What I would like to do next, I would like to go drop this view. Now we're done. I would like to go drop this view in E5, and I would like you guys to show the trench. We haven't done that. I would like you to show a trench. So now, Jeff, can I depend on you guys throwing the other fixtures around and circuiting them? Piece of cake. I would like you to show the trench though. But before we show the trench, can you guys, do you see the scale here? Click on the scale. The scale that works good with us is this scale, 3:32:1. How do you know? Because we tried it before. Can you guys click on the scale and scale it to 3/32 inches to 1 foot? Can I have thumbs up from there, Andrew? Cool. Okay, so we scaled it. The second thing, I want to go drop it in a view. Let's go drop it on a view. Okay, here's my view. Go to sheets. Let's go to sheets. Which sheet is this one? Sheet 5. Now here's what my problem with sheet 5 is. Look what I have in sheet 5. Is this what sheet 5? Oh, sheet 5 should be this way. I need sheet 4. Oh, duh, Chad. Okay, look at what I have in sheet 4. Does your sheet 4 has this view? You guys are good? Sheet 4 has this view. Okay? The same view, everything is cool. And is yours, guys, do you have what? Oh, all that stuff again. Okay. I don't know where floor plan 3 site, because it's coming from floor plan 3 site. Okay, it just has a different view. Let's go here, remove, what's the view? What does your view say? Does it say 3 site floor, or what does your view? Does that yours? Okay, if you followed with me, let's just remove it and bring the one that we've done, because we already cleaned it. We already cleaned it. Well, or Kerry, we had a view site, floor plan, ceiling, power plan site. Okay. Site, here you go, site and power. Floor plan, site and power, we did it here. Okay, site and power, this view. Okay, lighting. Okay, I made you guys do the calculation on this. Did you follow up with me when you did it here? Light, you can use any one of them. You really can use any one of them. If you want to start, if you want to continue, it's just a view. If you want to continue with this, we already cleaned it and put it at the right place. Do me a favor. Can you guys change this one? That's the problem. Okay, we're gonna go rename. You know what? I really don't like to use this view. I want to use the view that we created from the get-go. So I'm going to go to reflective ceiling here, into floor number 4 here, and let me see, what do I have my fixtures in it? I don't have my fixtures in it. Okay. So the first thing I would like you guys to do, please go to site. Let's remove this view. Just remove from sheet. Cool. And so let's go bring another view. Add a view and grab the view, site lighting again, add. And here's my view here. Obviously, it's need to be adjusted. Okay, so we have a view, a floor view, slightly big. So go to reflective. I brought from reflective ceiling. No, wrong one. Floor. No, we want this one. Okay, here you go. View, site. Okay, here's my view. The second thing that you guys want to do is just go organize the view a little bit. I don't want to see all this junk. right? So what do? I go to my show cropping region, show my crop region, click on crop region, crop it, crop that view slightly. Okay, crop that view and then go back to your site. Should be able to fit for the most part. Here you go, site, and fit it right here. Okay, I don't even need the extra parking lot here. So view, crop it, the future. Okay, let me see here. No. Okay. I want to go crop it a little bit more, guys, because I care less about the future stuff here. And crop a little bit down here. Arrange it slightly. Okay. Okay, so here's my view. Okay, can I have thumbs up, Chad? Because I want to do something on this view. Now, if you want to do the view that we already created, guys, for you before, go ahead and do it. Clean it up. Do what I did on that. I should have looked at it. I didn't see it, honestly. So if any view, any one of these view could be adjusted. David, questions you and Andrew? Cool. Okay. That's that one. If you want to use the other view, guys, feel free to use any other view as long as you adjust it. But I want to show you something here that I would like you to do though. In any view that you want to use, it doesn't matter which view, as long as it's adjusted. Okay, here's what I would like you guys to do. If you come over here, so here's my lighting fixture. I would, okay, when you drop it here, I would like you to draw a line. So I want to go annotate. I would like your attention here, guys, please. Annotate. And when you go to annotate, detail line. And I would like to a detail line of hidden line. Remember that hidden line? Hidden line. And I would like you guys to draw, literally, we are in the page, draw a line between all your fixtures. Only the parking lot fixtures. Only the parking lot fixtures, only the parking lot fixtures, and then bring it all the way to the building. And I'm not, do you see what I did? I just draw a line, a dotted line. I'm in the paper view that indicate the trench. So I have a fixture here, and a fixture here, and a fixture here. All of them, I'm carrying them through the conduit and bringing them into the building. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? How do you do this? With detail lines. It doesn't matter again which view are you using. How do you draw that one? With detail line. Okay? Any comments, any questions? That's your lighting. The only thing I want to mention, guys, two things. I would like to mention the view that I mistakenly make you guys made view when in reality we already have a view here. We should have used the view. I should have looked down a little bit. I knew I'm out of it today. So here's the view that we did before, guys, that we should have used that view. Doesn't matter though. We already adjusted the view. Now which view to use, guys, it doesn't matter. You can adjust any view almost to give you anything you want. Can I get you to get that one? But that was the original view that we should have used. But I just didn't look. I was concentrating on the light. Can I have thumbs up from every team that we know how to do the sites? We drop the sites. Let's start with Kerry. Are you okay? It's not working? Okay. Your partner is not coming today, by the way. Andrew, my friend, is it working for you? Yes, no? Okay. I can help you individually. How about Adam and Joe? Okay, okay. The only thing we did is we just dropped this view in E4 and we drew a detail line. Okay, I can help you with that one. Gentlemen, I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes. I'm going to switch to something different now. Site, the emergency light. How to drop your emergency light. Can I have, Jeff, my friend, is this good enough to get you into the site layout? It's really not a whole lot. Before you start laying out your fixtures, I want you to export from visual, go through the process. If I go check yours, guys, and you did not export, you lost your A. Did you guys hear me? Please get in. I want you to go through the exercise of export. Export, import, drop them, do the same thing that we did. Is this enough information, guys, to get you? Again, I apologize for dropping the wrong view, but any view can make it. Okay? All right, so I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes, please, and I'm going to go through the emergency lights, and then we'll switch into the energy code. Emergency lights, you have to understand two things for emergency lights and exit signs. The rule for emergency, the building code require you guys to have an emergency lights to light all the egress path for the building. Now, what the heck is the egress path for the building? Every building have to have an egress path. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to redraw the egress path, and I would like you guys to sketch that one, or at least know where the egress path is. Come on, can I get you guys that one? Okay, so the egress path for the building, if you are inside this building and the power is gone, you need to be able to have an ample amount of light to get out of the building safely. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We understand that one? I know we have a generator in this building, but the generator that we have is not an emergency generator. It's just standby generator. So I need to have a battery backup power, bug guys, to walk me through the building. So let's just say, here's if you guys have Lithonia book in front of you, here's the fixture that we're going to be using. Grab this fixture. You guys have in page 455. This is the fixture 455 Lithonia. This is the one that we're going to be using. Let me go, while you guys are doing this, I want to draw the egress path for this building. Let me see if I can. So here's my egress path for this building. So coming out of here, okay? So I'm going to have, this is my egress path, right? Trying to do here, trying to get in here. Okay, come over here. Where's my, I have an egress path. I don't know if you guys can follow with me here. I want to highlight it. This is my egress path. I'm going to tell you why I picked this as an egress path. And right in here, okay, where's my door for here, here, most likely would be here, in and out, outside the building, in and outside the building. Okay, so this is my egress path for this building. I have an area here that I need to be able to get the people in, and right in here. Okay, and let me highlight it with blue. So this is where I want to channel the blue might not be okay. I have a good choice for a color here.
Which one are we using? Are we using this ELR type? The ceiling mount one?
We can use ceiling or wall mounted. I think I specified the ceiling mounted. The wall mounting are on page 456. Okay? You're looking at a building, guys, and if there's power, if there's loss of power, this is defined by the architects as my means of egress for people to be able to exit the building safely. So I don't know if you can see here. I'm going to highlight this path. This is the path where I would like the people to get out. And this is very important to understand, guys. Okay, here you go. Do you see that? So this is a commercial building. I have an outage, lost power. I need to lit all these areas because this is called my egress path. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Who decided the egress path? The architects. When they design a building, they don't want to trap the people inside of the building. They don't want the people to panic, right? So for safety, we have to design an area, typically hallways, almost always hallways. Can you guys see that? If you want to know where they go, almost always hallways. Hallways are your egress path. Or if you have a big hall where people are assembled, you have to have an egress path. So look at this. So if there's an outage, I want this area that I highlighted to be lit. To be lit. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Lit. Lit means I have to have light. So this is my egress path. Let me just specify egress path. And I need, for egress path, I need foot candle of minimum of one. You need a foot candle of minimum of one. You're not going to sit there and read the newspaper. You just need to be able to see to get up. Minimum of one. So I said foot candle, one or more. You can have more. I don't make you. Here's what we typically do. I don't do it option if you want to. You take this one to visual and you do calculation. You place your fixtures. You do calculation. You place your fixtures here. You do a calculation and make sure you get an average of what? One foot candle. Okay. Who decides on that one? The architects and the engineers. When they get together, typically the architects decide the egress path. Okay, so here's my egress path. Can you guys see the egress path have an outlet from the building almost in every direction? I can exit the building from here, 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 or here. If you have a commercial building, your commercial building must have an access in every wall, right? Anybody knows why? You don't want to trap people in case of a fire. In case of fire, these egress path and exit signs that you're going to assign right now, they will lead you through the building to get out of the building. Okay? Cool. So that's my egress path. When I establish my egress path, guys, the next step is I need to put my exit signs and egress light. We're using a combination of ELR. Can you guys see that one? So it has this one, or we're using, in Revit, we're using a fixture that has both of them. Where's that one that has similar to these bug guys? So similar to this one, where you have an exit sign and egress light at the same one. When you have an egress path, you have to pay attention to two things. Number one, exit signs. I want to place my exit signs so it leads the people outside the building. Number two, egress light. I want to place my egress light to lead the people outside the building. Now the smart people, guys, get the exit and the egress in one combo. Okay, so let me tell you where. So here's my my placement. So what I'm going to be using, guys, I'm going to be using a fixture that looks like this. Exit with a light here. Light 1, light 2. You guys are familiar with bug eyes? They're called bug eyes. This is the best one that you can use. The best one that you can use, right? Because it gives you both exit and egress. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Exit and egress, no problem. Okay, get your exit and egress at the same time. The other alternative that you can do is one that looks like this. Exit. Cool. Exit or egress exit.
We have that in the...
We have them in the family already loaded. I'll show you in a second, so don't sweat it too hard. But let me show you where we place them. Okay, I want you guys to look at now. This is a path. So what I would do, I would go place one like this, right in here, above the door. So that will lift the whole path here, right? That's a combo. That's this one, okay? And if you guys come outside, can you guys see the outside door? If you put one on the outside door here, one on the outside door here, start with the outside doors. Where's my outside door here? One on the outside door here. One on the outside door here. Yeah. Carrie, anything? Can I help you with that? Okay. So these are the exit of the building. So you put a bug eye with an exit sign that lit that path. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? See what it did? That sign, everybody understand this is a sign and a light in one combo. Cool? So that's the first. Now we have light. Now, if you guys remember, there's a door here. So if I put one also here, so that will give me shoot light in both ways, right? So it'll throw light this way and this way. And if you put one here, based on the doors, it will shoot light this way and that way because there's a door here. And And if there's also a door here, if I put one here, and if I put one here, right in this area, it will shoot a light in this area. Can you see that? And there's also a door in this area. If I put one in this area here, it will shoot a light here. And where do you guys think I'm going to put one? Oops, that's a big one. I'm going to put one right in here. Okay. Now, how far you place these? Typically 25 to 40 feet apart. You can put your fixtures. Do you see where I situated them, guys? Everybody knows why here, external door, external door, external door, external door. Here, there's a hallway here and a door. If I put one here, that will lit the whole area. Between these two will take care of this hallway. Between these two will take care of this hallway. There's an area here I would like us to drop one here because it could be lit, so get the people out of this area. So that's typically, most likely, what you're gonna do.
You want that one, just emergency lighting when you're without the exit sign?
Yeah, you could, in this one, there's a door, isn't it? No, there's no door. So this one could be an emergency light only. So it looks like an emergency light only just looks like this. So that will be E only, emergency only. Any comments, any questions? So for your standing right here, you can see an exit here, and an exit here, and an exit here, plus light to lead you through it. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Now, if you're doing your business in the bathroom here, what you think, and you lose the power. So now these are this is the egress path. Now there's also another good applications for certain areas to have an emergency light. One example. I have bathrooms, so I would like to drop one here for the bathroom. If people are doing their business, this is a light only. How am I going to specify light only? I'm just going to put E in front of the light only. Okay. How about the female? That's a female. How about the male? Right here. So anywhere in the to get the people out. You guys remember mechanical room here? Do you know how much work and stuff in this mechanical room? If you lose power, something tripped, and you are in front of a panel switch gear, would you like to have an emergency light there to just get you to move around? So that's a good idea, right? So here's another light inside the mechanical room. Everybody knows why the bathroom and the mechanical room are essential areas. How about shipping and handling here? Well, shipping and handling, I already have one. In the office, Chad's office, here's who care. You lose power. First, you have a window. Second, you can exit too. You can go to the hallways, you'll see a light. Can I have thumbs up about emergency lights? So you're going to be using 3 types. You're going to have light. This is only light. This is combo with B. And this is exit only. Okay? That's the type. Where would I, now smart people, guys, use the combo all the time. If you can use it. If you can't use a combo because you don't need an exit, you use a light. Or if you don't need a light, you just need an exit, what do? You drop an exit. All these are given as families. All these are given as families of Revit. The last thing I'm going to say about these, what do you do for the emergency light? You only circuit them, you do not switch them. Only circuit. Do you switch an emergency light? What? Circuit. So when you circuit, I'm going to say here, number 1, circuit only. And number 2, from circuit number in the area. It will do you no favor. It will do you no favor at all to circuit this emergency light from the circuit that feeds the bathroom. If you lost the power that's coming to the building, guys, if you lose the power that's coming to the building, this will go on. But what if you put a troublemaker like Adam and go trip the circuit breaker that feeds this circuit here? Would this light go on? No. When you have emergency lights, there's 2 requirements for the emergency lights. Requirement number 1, if you lose the power for the whole building, they must come on within 10 seconds. Requirement number 2, if you lose the power in part of the building, not the whole building, in part of the building, they must come on too. In order to get the two requirements, you must feed the emergency light from the circuit that feeds the area. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Do you understand why you have to grab this fixture now and circuit it from the circuit that feeds this area? This fixture from the circuit that circuit this area, same thing. You pick these from the circuit that feeds that particular area. Everybody understand why? Because if you feed it from a separate circuit, say you feed it from a separate circuit here. If you lose the power here because circuit breaker tripped, this light will never come on. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We fully understand what the emergency system is. So that's what you guys are going to be doing. Let me take a snapshot of it and show you where these families are located in Revit, so you can drop them, where to drop them, and circuit. Do we switch them? Did I say anything about switching? No switching. No switching. Cool. Okay, so let me see if I.
On the lighting sheet or the site plan sheet?
Give me 1 second here, buddy. There you go. I'm just taking a snapshot of this. I will take a snapshot, put it on the network for you guys if anybody wants to look at it. One more time. All right. Okay, we captured it as snapshots here. All right, so any comments, guys, before I have it as a PDF file? So I will put it in the network if you could not draw my. There you go. Okay, let's go back to CAD. Now that we know where to place them, let's go to CAD. Revit. Here's where I would like you to place them. You place them under ceiling lighting, exactly where you place all your fixtures. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? These are going to be in the ceiling. So what we do typically, they're either ceiling on the wall. So this is the best application for them. The best application for them. Where do you find them? Let's go find them. So if you guys go import, insert, load families, go all the way to, you can go to, we have them for you in many location, but this is one location. If you go to instructor folder, and if you go to Revit, and if you go to families 2011, can you guys see where it says emergency here? Everybody can see that? Emergency, if you double click on that one. Okay, one more. Got it? Okay, so go to emergency. Got him? Carrie? Okay, so here's your option. Can I get you guys? Here's your option. I have a combo, I have an exit only, and an emergency lighting only. Can I get you guys to understand? These are the 3 types that I told you to do. So if you were, try to run with the combo. Try to run with the combo. Anybody knows why we run with the combo? Because the combo will give you both. If you can't, if you don't need a light in this area, so what do? You get an exit sign. So let's go grab a combo. Here's my combo. Here's my options for combo. And here's only one. Can you guys see the only one option for combo? I'm going to go load it. I loaded my combo. And then I'm going to go place it. Okay, everybody. And then you get back and pick the other exit signs. Can I have thumbs up from every team that we understand that fully? Cool. So I'm going to go drop. I'm going to go home. Electrical, lighting fixtures, synchronize with central. That's for me, not for you. Okay. So I'm trying to drop a combo, a light and an exit signs together. A light and exit signs together. Okay. So I'm still in the, I'm going to go back here, guys. And it should be right here. Can you guys see it? This is, I think this is it, please. Yep, right here. One more time. Do you guys see it? Everybody got it? It's right here. If you go, oops, go back again. Did I move too fast? Okay. Everybody see LHQM. LHQM is a fixture that we're picking. Can you guys see how it looks like? It has an exit and a light on it, combo. Okay. Everybody get that?
I didn't know saying none of the created elements are visible in the affected ceiling plan.
Yeah, mine's like, it's like a ghost picture.
Okay, let me see. Give me 1 second here. Were you guys able to place
You want to place on page.
on face? And did you see what I'm holding here in my hand? Do you see it? Were you able to? Okay, I'm going to go to the bathroom, the female bathroom, and I'm going to place this boy. You can adjust it. See the lights? Can you guys see where the lights are shooting? Everybody can see the lights. So I'm going to. I want the light. Yeah. Well, yeah. We don't want it in the bathroom. Let's say right here. Okay. How about if we put it right here above the door in the mechanical room? We need it, right? So can you guys see that? I can adjust it. I'm gonna go right here. I believe this is where shooting, and bam, drop it right here. So I have a fixture I place in the mechanical room, and it places in the ceiling at 9 feet. So here's what this fixture looks like, guys. Do you see that little strobe here? It will look like this strobe with an exit at the top of it and a light this way. Cool. I know. You don't need an exit. I just dropped it there. If it's one door, you don't need an exit. Absolutely. So what do? You go replace this one with just box only. Okay? Just for the exercise. Cool? All right. So you drop the rest of them, drop them the same way. So now, let's go grab an exit only. How about that? And a light only. I'm going to go insert, load, load families, go all the way to your friend Chad's families, Revit. I'm going to go to emergency. Now I need an emergency lighting unit only. No, stay with me here. No bug guys. AFN is one option. Let's grab AFN or ELM6. ELM6. These are guys directly from the stuff that I gave you. I can't remember which one did I specify. Which page is the exit sign? LQM. I have an LQM here for you. LHQM. ELR. What is it? AFN. ELM. So there's a bunch of them that you can use. ELM. Okay, here's an ELM. An ELM looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like this one. So let's look at ELM. Let's use ELM2. This one, it looks like, here's an ELM2. ELM2 looks exactly like any of these two, right here. Cool. So grab this, load it. Okay, so let's go grab one and put it in a female's bathroom. Home, electrical, lighting fixtures. Here you go. Here's my ELM2. Place on face, and you got yourself a fixture. So I need to put. So where would I put it? The best location for it is, guys, right above the door, right in here, in the middle. So if you place it right here, and I need to go to the males because we want to also let them do their own business. And I'm going to go put the light right in. You can put it anywhere else, but right in here. Cool. So let's go look at them. Click one of them, and I have a height of 9 feet. So they are 9 foot either in the ceiling. I don't know if this is ELM2. You can put it in the ceiling or on the wall right above the door. Typically this is a ceiling mounted, just hanging from the ceiling. Thumbs up, Chad. How about Andrew and Kerry? You guys are good? Adam, Joe, Zach. Okay, great. Now the last thing you're gonna do, I'm not gonna place all of them. You guys place them. Where you need them, I will PDF the file and put it on the network for you if you forgot and you couldn't copy it where to put them. So I'm gonna go circuit them. Okay, here's what you do. You click on it, right? And well, the best way to do it, remember I have a circuit here. See that fixture that we have here? We already have a fixture there in that area. Click on the fixture and edit circuit, and edit circuit, and add to circuit, and go grab that baby that we did here and add it to circuit. Okay, I added it to the circuit in the area, and up it goes. Now I need to tag it. I need to okay, I need to go tag it, guys. So before you tag it, I want you guys to see where it says edit tag. I want you to go there and put type mark. This is gonna be E emergency, EM, whatever letter that you guys get to it. Let's just say EM for it. So this is going to be an emergency fixture. I type the EM. I want to go annotate, see if I can get it to tag it. Okay, it's not working. Oh,
I don't know. Just keep getting the shell.
there you go. So I tagged it, guys. Darren, I will help you individually. I really will. Okay, so I tagged it. For the rest of you guys, I tagged it with EM circuit 1. So it's fit from circuit 1. Everybody can see that it's emergency fixture circuit 1. Any question, guys? Any question? So that's how you do all your exit signs and your emergency lights in that location. Exit signs, emergency lights. Okay. I'm going to do one more, guys, in this area here. Click on this fixture, edit circuit, and I'm going to go add to circuit, and I'm going to add that one that I put here. Cannot 2440 out to the circuit. The voltage for it is out of the reach. Okay, what voltage is that one that I brought here? It says out of reach. Let me close that one. I don't know if you guys, what voltage do I have for this one? Edit type 120. So what voltage I have for this one? Should be 120. Let's do it one more time. Click on, you guys, were you able to circuit, guys? Everybody else? Circuit, edit circuit, add to circuit. Cannot add to the circuit. The voltage for 2 is out of range for the voltage. Okay. Interesting. Let me see what's wrong with that one here. Okay, so it looks like the circuit is voltage. We'll check on that one, guys. It looks like 120 here. One thing I want to check here, edit family. Why is the voltage out of range? I'm going to grab my component. Here's what I would like you guys to do. This is what the problem is. If you edit family, let me do one more time. If you edit, go back again to the same fixture that you brought. Can you guys click on it this way? When you click on it, go edit family. When you get it to edit, you do it once. Edit family. Do you see that green circle? That's your electrical component in the family. Can you guys see the green circle? Click on the green circle and you do this one. Do you see what the voltage is assigned to this boy? 0. So change this to 120. Watts, I don't know. Let's give him 20 volt amp, and apply it. And you do this once for this type of fixture and load into the project. One more time. Give me 1 second here. Kerry, do you want to go back? Go. Okay, let's do it one more time. Click on the fixture that didn't circuit and edit family. When you go to edit family, you see all this junk. The only thing I care about is the green. Can you guys see the green? Oops. Can you guys see the green circle? That green circle? Just slightly click until you pick the green circle, right? Do you see that? click the green circle. Now the green circle is red. When you go there, can you guys go change the voltage into 120 and the apparent power into 20 volt amp? Darren, I will help you, don't worry. I'll help you, sorry man.
No, I'm sorry.
I'll buy you a lunch for
It's not
that
your
too.
fault.
I know, it's my fault because it's done with his fault. Okay, so we picked this 120 20 volt amp. When you're done with it, could you please load in the project? That's what, every time, if you, can I just get you, when you're working with family, if it tells you it doesn't have a voltage and you go to edit type and it still has a voltage, but it's not working, go to the family itself and see what the voltage assigned to it, okay? Now let's go circuit it one more time. Click on this, edit circuit, and I'm gonna go add to circuit and bam, grab my fixture on it and finish. I have just added this to the circuit. I'm gonna go tag it, annotate, tag, and tag. Here's my tag. It will show the fixture only. I need a type. I'm going to click on this one, edit type. I'm not going to be using it in any other location, so I'm going to go all the way to type mark and put this baby as, what is this? This is only, this has light and combo on it, so I'm going to call this one, whatever the fixture that you guys, remember these names are going to be coming for you guys from where? From visual. So you're going to give it a name. Let's just say we're going to call this as, I don't know, emergency fixture. So this is emergency with light, EM/X. I'm going to call it EM/X. This is emergency exit. Okay? This particular one. So here's my emergency exit. I grab it here, get rid of that lead because it bothers me. And off it goes with a tag for your emergency/exit sign right in here. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? I know we don't want an exit here in this area. We could have used this fixture right here. Okay. Can I have a thumbs up that Chad is piece of cake for the most part? Okay. All right. So that's how you're going to put your emergency lights and exit signs. When you're done with them, guys, I would like you to print them with your lighting fixture so we can redline them. To help you with this, here's what I'm going to do. The view, do you guys remember that what we've just gone through this? Here's what I'm going to put this view on the network for you. That will help you where to place them. The rule of thumb, guys, between these, typically 50 feet, 25 to 40 feet on center of these bug eyes. It gives you one foot candle depending on the light. So a lot of engineers and architects hate them because they look ugly. So next project, we will not use them. We will be using that fixture right above your head as an emergency fixture. But I want you guys to get into the habit of doing these bug eyes. They call the bug eyes the cheapest, easiest way of having an emergency light in a commercial building. The cheapest, easiest way of having an emergency light in a commercial building because they do not need a generator. We have a generator in the building. That's not an emergency generator. That's a backup generator. Backup generator. Any comments, any questions? Any comments, any questions? Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to PDF this one. I'm going to give you one more time, 5 minutes, and I want to walk you guys through the next thing on my schedule is to walk you through the energy code. The energy code. So between the energy code, the emergency light exit, and the parking lot, that should keep you busy the week. Yes, no? If you guys are proficient, as you will be, Darren, the emergency light, the exit signs, the parking lot, and the energy code, when you know how the software, that's for a system like this, you're looking at a day of work stretching it for one person. That's even stretching it in the real world. But you don't have Chad to interrupt you every day and yak at you. So 8 hours, you should be able to put all your emergency lights, circuit them, parking lot lights, circuit them, do the energy code, and that's stretching it too. But again, you don't know the software. There's a lot of bugs here and there. Okay. Any comments, any questions, guys? Any comments, any questions? Okay, so if you guys do me a favor, let's take 5 minutes, and I would like you, before we start with the second one, please have your lighting feeder or lighting schedule handy, because you can't follow up with me unless you have your lighting schedule handy in front of you. Cool? Let's take 5 minutes.